So we are in the city of Southgate in LA County, and the project we just completed was actually a complete home remodel. We did start off with the roof. We got the windows replaced, interior, exterior paint, central AC. We redid our restrooms from top to bottom, and a complete kitchen remodel, complete with cabinets and countertops. And also we redid the entire flooring in the house. We did expand the master bath, so we have a brand new walk-in shower. We also redid the plumbing and the electrical. All in all, the process was very easy. We did finish very, very quickly. Our contractor knew that we had a very short timeline, so we came in at about 5 weeks. And part of the reason for that was we were moving from our old house into this new house. And they knew that, they worked with us, and they did a great job. Moshe, who was in charge of the project, he went ahead and he texted us every single day, gave us status updates, let us know when we had to provide a certain material or what we had to pick by when. All in all, it was a very, very easy process. Definitely one of the easiest companies that we've ever worked with. In the end, when my husband and I walked into the home, to be honest, we were just amazed and surprised by everything. We had been coming in periodically at the end of every week just to kind of see how things were coming along, but seeing the finished product, seeing everything that we wanted become a reality, and making sure that America Green Builders did everything that they could with our budget, it was phenomenal. So one of our favorite parts about the end product of the house remodel, to be 100% honest, we don't have one, we actually have two. The first one being the master bathroom. That was something that my husband and I really, really wanted. We enjoy taking showers in there. It is just very, very luxurious. And then the other is actually the kitchen. Even though the kitchen is really, really small, we didn't want to intervene with the integrity of the house because it is almost 100 years old. But the kitchen just came out so well. It's incredibly functional, so much space. I'm really, really glad that we have drawers on the bottoms instead of cabinets, so because bending gets hard. But yeah, I would say those are our two favorite things that were completed on this house. The customer service was definitely very great. So from start to finish with this project, Moshe, who was our contractor, he made sure that we had status updates every single day. He was responsive whenever we had any questions. If we needed to contact him over the weekend because we were selecting materials, he was always available. They also made sure to recommend different stores, such as like tile stores, flooring stores, and stuff like that, so we wouldn't have regular run-of-the-mill stuff from Home Depot or Lowe's. I would definitely recommend America Green Builders. Again, one of the greatest companies that we have worked with. We're very, very glad that we found. So from start to finish, they worked with us. They've given us so many ideas, so many pointers, worked with our budget, worked with our timeline. And all in all, it was probably one of the best experiences we've ever had.